So students, after learning the color command, now we are going to proceed with the another commands. But before that, you should know the coordinates. You should understand how we can choose the pixel and what will be the coordinates of that particular pixels. So let's proceed. Okay students, so using this graph paper, we are going to see about the output screen. So as we know, in the screen number 8, we are having the resolution of 640 into 200, right? So that means 640 pixels can be adjusted this horizontal way, and then 200 pixel can be adjusted in vertical way. So now let's see, when we are going to draw the lines, how we have to select the starting point and the ending point in this screen mode. So let us suppose the pixels of this is 0 and 0. The x-axis is in this way, horizontal, and then y is vertically. So the first point is of x-axis, that is horizontal, and then the second one is for the y-axis. Okay, so this is the 0 and 0. Here both the values are 0, and here on the other hand, in this corner we are having the value 640 because it's increasing. 0, then 50, 100, 150, 200, in this way it is increasing. So here it will be 640. In both the corners it will be 640, right? But vertically it is different. Here vertically it is 0. So we will write 0 over here, right? And then, but when we are moving in this way, 0, 50, 100, 150, 200. So that means on this line the value of the y is 200. Okay. So now we are going to draw the different points, and then we have to find out its x and y axis. Okay. The points of x as well as y. So let's see this point. What will be the value of x and what will be the value of y over here? See, 0 is increasing over here, 50. So value of x is 50 here. Similarly, value of y is also increasing. So that is also 50 over here. Isn't that simple? Right? So let us take few more points. We are going to move in this way. Okay? 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. That means any point on this line having the value of x is 300. Let me take this one. Okay? So the value of x is 300, right? Now what is the value of this y? Here the value is 0 for the y, right? But when we are moving downwards, it's increasing, 50, 100. So that means here 100. We are moving on the same line. So that means here the value of the y will be 100. So now you can easily understand when we are going to draw the lines, its starting point as well as ending point. So here you can find the values for the pixels. Okay.
Line statement. Line statement is used to draw a straight line between 2 points on the screen, and the syntax is line x1 y1 2 line, this hyphen means 2, okay, x2 comma y2 and comma color. Here the x1 y1 are the starting point, and then x2 and y2 are the end coordinates of the line that we need to draw. And the color means here you need to write a color value, the color that you want to use for the line. So that means in x1 and y1 you have to write the coordinates of the point from where you want to start your line, and in x2 and y2 you need to specify the coordinates of your ending point. That means which point the line should be drawn. Now let's see first example where we are going to draw a horizontal line. So in this I had to draw a line which starting point is 5 and 20 and the ending point is 120, and for that I am using color value 15. That means the line that is going to be drawn on my output screen is in white color. As you can see, a white line is drawn on my output screen. Now, in example number 2, we are going to draw a vertical line. So, the coordinates of my line, starting point is 300x and for y it is 0, and 2, the ending point will be 300, 200. That is the coordinate of my ending point. Okay, so the color code I am using again is 15. That means a white line, a white vertical line is going to be drawn on my output screen. So here is the output of this, a complete vertical line on my output screen. Now, this is my third example where we are going to draw a diagonal line. So let's see what will be the coordinate for that. In screen 8, I had used line 0, 0. From 0, 0 point to, this is the first corner. As you know, this corner, the top left corner is having this 0, 0 value, and then the bottom right corner is having the 600, 640 to 200 coordinates. So by using this coordinate, I can draw a diagonal line in this way. So let's see what will be the output for this. So as you can see, a diagonal line is there as the output of this program.